We often say that the hour of death cannot be forecast. When we say this, we imagine this hour would be in the distant future. We never thought we would be thinking about Lemuel as a memory. Yes, it came a little soon. We were all shocked. We all have different memories of him. And
What will I be remembered for? At the end of my life, no one will remember me by how handsome or healthy I was, the nicest clothes I wore, the expensive phones I used, or the beautiful house I lived in, or how fluent I can speak. None of these things matter. It isn't how much schooling or education or knowledge I had, but the product of my potential. Not how much money I had in my bank account, but how many discouraged souls I encouraged. Not how many marriages I had, but how many broken homes I united. No one cares about the places I'd visit, the summer camps I've been, how many rich men I knew, but how many lives I comforted. It isn't how many friends I got, how many followers and likes I had on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, but how many lives I inspired and awakened by my character. When I see the likes of Steve Jobs, John Newton, Nelson Mandela, etc., I ask myself, who will people say that I am? No one will remember me by my PhD, my MSc, my BSc, or my NCE when I'm gone, but the legacy that I leave behind. The pages of my life are flipping every time. It's a burden I cannot crucify. I look around myself and ask, what can I do? What can I change? Maybe it's that little kindness I'm neglecting. Maybe it's that little help I should give to a neighbor and I couldn't. Maybe it's that favor I should return and I am not returning it. Maybe it's that little attention or commitment to something that was given to me. Maybe it's been peaceful or humane with my employees at the place of work. Maybe it's that commitment to the job that was assigned to me. What exactly will I be remembered for? Come to the world and live the pleasures of life and die and go away. Then at my funeral, everybody will cry for losing a son, a loved one, but no legacy to remember. I want to make impact in the life of people so that when I'm gone, I wouldn't be forgotten. This is who I want to be remembered. What will you be remembered for?